Today we are talking about plateaus and plains as two most important landforms on the earth. Plateau is also known as tableland because of the shape that it has. That means many of its sides will be having a steep edges and sometimes will be having a flat surface also. So just look like a table. Just like mountains also, here the size or the height of this plateau also may vary from 100 meters to several thousand meters also. One of the oldest plateau found on the earth is Deccan Plateau in our own India. The southern part of India is fully covered with a particular landform that is mainly Deccan Plateau. The central areas just like Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, parts of Tamil Nadu, even parts of Kerala also included in that Deccan Plateau. The Tibetan Plateau is the highest plateau in the world with a height of 4,000 meters to 6,000 meters in different area above sea level. The most important three features of plateau landform is that it is a mineral deposit area. Just like minerals, just like iron, coal, gold, silver, etc. will be found in different plateau areas across the world. And another important feature is that it is a place where lots of waterfalls are found because of the land shape. That means the flat surface allows the water to flow into a little bit lengthy, and while it is coming into edge, it will start to flow down. So a beautiful scenery just like waterfalls also are so common related to landforms just like plateau. Lava plateaus are also really rich in black soil that came after the volcanic eruption, which is very much fertile and also is useful or useful for the cultivation of different crops including cotton. And just like mountainous areas, plateau areas also are really an attractive space for tourist locations. Plain areas are the most beautiful, wonderful location for people to live and also for different type of cultivations or constructions, etc. Because we know that plain areas are almost leveled localities without having no much up and downs, and it is extremely useful for construction of roads and all other transportation means, and the different type of buildings for schools, colleges, houses, etc. also will be possible. And as the plains are mainly formed after the running water, that is either after heavy rain or due to any kind of other natural calamities, rainwater or running water helps the soil in that locality to be get fertile after every flood season. So it is very much useful for different type of agricultural activities. That's why plain areas are thickly populated. You know why? It is mainly because of the fertile soil available, water available, and also the suitable climatic conditions for people and their life, and also useful for construction of road, rail, and all other transportation means. So because of all these reasons, the plain areas are across the world are thickly populated, and in India plain areas are mainly found in the northern part of India because of the presence of river Ganga, river Brahmaputra, and river Indus. These three main rivers are making the northern area of India into a plain surface. Different landforms of a nation also plays a great role in the life of people and the development of that nation, because by these different natural available landforms, it can be considering as an important center of nation's development, mainly considering as it is a scenic spot where these places will be attracted by tourists outside, so a nation will be earning money. And these places also can be utilizing by people in different methods, just like plain areas are using by people for different type of agricultural purpose. It can feed the population of a nation. Plain areas are rich in minerals and also can be the area where different type of industries, factories, etc. will be located, that also can give an important income for nation's development. And the mountainous areas, as it is a storage house for water, that areas also can be using by people to generate electricity, that is called hydroelectricity, in order to support the people, especially the poor farmers, for irrigation. So thus also agriculture will be developed into its maximum. Thus the land forms of a particular area is having its correct and also so close relation with the people and their lifestyle. So children, let us stop now. Thank you. Have a nice day.